Welcome to Wacky Wednesdays, where everyone has a chance to show off their car mods. And here's this week's winner.
This is my 1994 Honda Civic Hatchback that I have swapped a non-VTEC B18 engine from an Acura Integra. It is fully built, has pistons and rods, aftermarket cams, dual springs and retainers, a full 3-inch exhaust. It makes 450 horsepower on 93 octane at 22 psi and makes 602 horsepower to the wheel on 32 psi. Suspension, I have coilovers, 16-inch wheels with 20% offset, and that's about it. This is a car that I had for 10 years and it's an ongoing project. Not many people build the non-VTEC engines to this level, so there's not many making over 600 horsepower. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching.
Well, that was this week's video, and to have your car mod shown on my channel here, check this out. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.